what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Anyone who cooks knows how important a recipe is for getting dishes just right. But are Anna and Jonathan talking about cooking here?
Recipe for disaster.
So, my friend Diane just got divorced, and she's bringing her new boyfriend to my party tonight.
What's wrong with that? People get divorced all the time. It'll be fine.
You don't understand. Her very jealous ex-husband is coming to the party too.
Now, that is a recipe for disaster. You had better prepare for a fight.
When we cook, we follow a recipe. It tells us how much of each ingredient to use to make a delicious dish. But a recipe for disaster means that several factors, not ingredients, are coming together to make one big mess.